Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making my own watch case. I've been wanting to have one to store them neatly, and just looking online, you can find anywhere from $20 upwards. I think I saw like a for $200 one. Yeah, I don't know why that's $200. Anyways, $50 US. So cheapest looks like it's 20, but it's only for 5. This one looks really nice. If I had the money to buy it, I'll be getting this one. This one looks like 30 US dollars. Alright, so let's start making it. So I need a rough idea of how the dimensions for my box is going to be, and typing the largest G-Shock on Google brought me the watchusig.com, which is a really popular forum, and looks like it's listed as 6 centimeters or 60 mils in diameter for the face of the watch. So I'm going to base on that. I actually have a really large diameter watch. This is not a G-Shock, this is a Skimei, and this is less than 60 mils. It's probably about 5.5. I mean 55 mils. Right, so first you need a lame box to store all your lame watches. I mean my watches. You go to a pharmacy and ask them nicely. Sometimes they'll give one to you. So if not, you have to go dumpster diving. So I got this box here. It's a bit too big, so I need to chop it down size. I also need to fill up that this hole in the middle here as well. Okay, so I'll probably go like 9 centimeters. Leave a gap of at least like 1 or 2 centimeters on the top or the bottom. Okay, so I've cut it down to 9 centimeters on all sides. So it looks significantly smaller. Perfect. Now to fill up this gap here, I just measure and cut the cardboard. This bits as well. I'll probably, if I wanted to, I can also get a nice big cardboard, just make it cleaner, but I probably won't do that. Okay. Alright, and then the critical part to making this work is this cardboard that I had to collect for a really long time, and when I had enough, I could go ahead and make this project. So these are toilet rolls. I mean, like, not toilet rolls, because these are actually label rolls, and I've been collecting them for quite a while. And yeah, you can see it's much thicker. So if you can, I guess I can use toilet rolls, but they will keep breaking easily because it's just one, it's so much thinner. Anyway, so I got 15 of these. Then the other part is collecting all this cardboard. These are strong honeycomb cardboard. They're strong and light, so this is going to be my support walls. I'm going to need to cut this down to size to make walls to fit all these ones here, to make partitions. So I'm going to cut this up first. Okay, so I made 12 of this. So 6 of these is going to be for oops, I'm just going to hide it now. 6 of these is going to be like the support walls. And then the other 6 is going to be for holding the toilet rolls. Okay, so I'm going to mark it out. I'm going to lift that gap at the bottom and also the gap at the top. Probably higher, make it the gap at the bottom higher so it's easier to reach from the top. I'm going to mark out these circles, cut holes, and also up here so I can slot them in, make it removable. So this gap's probably going to be about 1 centimeter. 2, 1. This is diameter is about 4.5 centimeters. Very sticky. Okay, it's not perfect, but you know, yeah, can't be bothered. Alright, so just measure, cut a hole. To make to cut the curved part, I get needles and pop, 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 and then I get my knife and cut along those perforated holes. I did the best as I can. So I got 6 of them. Now I can start assembling. I need to twist as I put it in, others I'll crush these things because this is not the strongest solution. I will definitely have to glue this to the support wall here to give it more strength. Okay, let me put this set so it won't fall. Yeah, one hand so hard to do. Okay. Alright, planting there. Yeah, I see. This I have the glue. I've crushed it. Oh no. Not the perfect solution, but because a watch case is not something I'm going to be using all the time, just a storage. It's not going to be daily use. Right, so I'm going to pause and fill up all the rolls. There's a gap so you could see my fingers. So, this one was cut loose. I'll probably have to redo the roll holders. So this one good. Oops. This one easily went in. Oops. Yep. Yeah, definitely might have to redo, make it a bit wider a bit. I was just lucky that all this one perfectly fit and I didn't especially have to cut this because this would have been a pain in the butt to cut because it's so thick. Luckily this box was perfect. This divider thing was a perfect width, and yeah, everything was just, I don't know, super lucky. I didn't have to do much effort. It didn't take long for me to figure this out and do it. So now let's populate it with some watches. Okay, I don't have that many watches. So let me just fill this up. So not only can put 15, I can put up to 30 watches. Whoa! $0 and has a super cool lid. Because of the gap, the watch's face doesn't touch the top of the box, so cool. And that's it, my plain cardboard watch case. Thanks for watching.